Moving away into Denmark belts. Everything really revolving around this mass of dark cloud which is now covering virtually the whole country. And it's an area of low pressure just off the south coast of England which is developing, it's intensifying, and it's going to move steadily northeastwards through tonight and through tomorrow. You can see what's happening here. Just watch this low pressure as it moves up into the North Sea later on tonight and through tomorrow. Look at the isobars packing in across the whole country. That's indicative of some strong winds to come. In fact, that wind up to gale force, possibly severe gale force strength around the headlands of eastern England by the end of tomorrow evening. And of course, as you can see here, the hatched areas indicating plenty of rainfall as well. Now, we've seen a mass of rain moving north across England and Wales today. In fact, most of the rain now is still confined to that same area between about Leeds and Cambridge. Some very heavy rainfall in there too. And what's going to happen tonight is that rain band's going to move further and further north up the eastern side of England, but also pivoting and extending south back through Wales and into the West Country. So for the next few hours at least, a weather warning in store for North Wales, the North Midlands, Lincolnshire, parts of Norfolk, Humberside, parts of northwest England too. Some heavy rain, there'll be local flooding, and it'll be windy too, so very hazardous driving conditions for the next few hours. Now further south we've also got some clearer weather, but some storms have been set off in the past few hours. Thunderstorms developing now across these more southern counties of England, but most of those should die out this side of midnight. But overnight, for much of England and Wales, it's going to be a wet night, save for this southeastern corner of the country. It will be a windy night too, but at least with that cloud cover and all the rain, temperatures probably no lower than 9 to 11 degrees. But further north, across Northern Ireland and Scotland, showers here fewer and further between, colder, clearer weather, and down to 4 degrees in the northern glens, so a touch of ground frost to come there. Well, there's tomorrow's horrendous looking chart with this low pressure across in the North Sea. It could be a record low pressure for September, hence the very, very strong winds across the whole of Britain. The southeastern corner, that's parts of East Anglia through southeast England, central southern England, may well start off dry and bright. Some sunshine around, but a few showers around the coast. But a lot of rain elsewhere, some heavy rain too, and that rain pushing southeastwards gradually through the day. Now eventually, western areas of England and Wales will brighten up a little bit. Not to say particularly sunny, but certainly brighter weather eventually. But for much of central and eastern England, it'll be a wet day and a windy one too. It'll be quite unpleasant everywhere. Northern Ireland and Scotland, again seeing the best of it. There'll be some sunshine at times, just 1 or 2 showers, although having said that, there could be a tilt of that cloud and rain back into southeast Scotland in the second part of the afternoon. Obviously windy, obviously cold in that wind as well. Typical temperatures tomorrow, just 12 to 14, so you're into the mid-50s Fahrenheit. And the low pressure's still there on Friday, which means to say for much of eastern England